What's up, guys? My name is Giancarlo Capola. I have been with Johnny and the community since about the beginning of March. Johnny has really helped me, a lot with as far as, mindset, getting in the right mindset of life insurance with that, this could be a very difficult business to be in. So you kind of have to make sure you have a good mindset when you're dialing the phones or talking to clients. You want to just make sure you're always positive. You want to make sure that you're not thinking of something negative while you're dialing the phones. Another great thing that's really helped me is to be able to generate my own leads. I've gone through every single lead vendor there is. I have generated my leads in the past for myself through Facebook. It just hasn't been the same as the way Johnny and his team does it and the way he has helped me to do it. I just want to give, a shout out to him, shout out to his team. Basically, just say thank you for helping me be able to scale my business and to be where I am at this moment. So thank you, Johnny, and I look forward to more success in the future.